All right, today I have a Chevy Silverado, and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this particular Chevy Silverado. I'm going to show you how to do this so you can access the hood to do things under the hood, like add windshield washer fluid, oil, yada, 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 all of that stuff. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the Chevy Silverado and I need to open the hood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the vehicle is in park and it is off. So I'm going to reach over here, see the vehicle is in park. I'm going to go ahead and stop the engine, my foot on the brake, and then I am going to look down towards the feet, okay? There is a lever right here, and if you need more space to access it, go ahead and open your door. And see this lever right here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. You see I pulled that, you heard it click. And after you've heard that, you're gonna walk around to the front of the vehicle, which I'm doing right here. Walk around to the front of the vehicle. And if you try to open up the hood right now, it won't go. So what do? You come down and then you have to find the safety latch. It's under here and I'll show you that in a second. I'm going to take my finger and press it to the right, not to the left like. Okay, so this is the lever right here that I pressed to the right, and it actually unlocks the safety mechanism on the hood. All right, so that's how I was able to open the hood and have it open. Don't need a kickstand to keep it on for this particular model because it stays open right here with using those pressure legs right here. And when you're done, all you have to do is take the hood, just go ahead and shut it just like that. And that is how you open the hood on a Chevy Silverado, and that is also showed you how to close your hood on this particular Chevy Silverado. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.